Hi, I'm Felix, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pedra to enhance the presentation of your properties. With Pedra, you'll get photos and videos to help you sell faster at the best price. So let's get to it. First, we're going to create a new project and we're going to upload a couple of pictures. In this case, it's pictures of empty rooms. And we're going to click on Edit with AI and click on Furnish. In this case, we're going to just select the space type so Pedra knows what type of furniture to place in the room. And in this other picture, we're going to click on bedroom, okay? And in a couple of minutes, we'll get results like this ones, which is basically the same pictures, but fully furnished, okay? To help us sell faster. In this second example, we have a clutter room, and we can use Edit with AI with the empty room tool to completely empty this room, okay? And we're going to get the result like this one. Third example is a room with kind of old furniture. We can use the Furnish tool to update the furniture so it looks much more updated, okay? And much more sellable. Next, we got 3 pictures of a very old property. So we're gonna choose, in this case, the renovation tool to renovate the property, okay? We're gonna click on preserve windows to preserve the views from the windows. And we're gonna get results like this one. Or, for example, the one below, or this one. And last but not least, we also have the option to create videos from our photos, okay? And these are going to be real videos that we can share on Instagram or real estate portals. And in a couple of clicks, we'll get a result like the one you see here. As you can see, it looks like a professional photographer shot the video for us, okay? But we didn't do that. We just created the videos from the images we already had from the property. You can try all these features and more in Pedra.